Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit an image in a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file and click on this home option and select an edit option. Now click on this image and select, and here you will find this format option. You can change this image rotation, you can rotate it clockwise and this is counterclockwise and this is 180. Also you can put here custom rotation angle if you want, and this is height and width option, you can change it manually. Also you can crop this image, click here and this crop tool and this one also, and see this, and you can crop and click here and see this. And also you can mirror this image vertical and see this horizontal and so on. And also you can replace this image, you can say this image printing resolution and so on. And this image brightness and contrast option here you can change. You can change also resolution, you can decrease. And this image color option, you can make it gray scale and see this 100. And also you can make it CMYK and see this and so on. And also you can change this image position in here, and this left and right you can use your keyboard arrow, or you can move up and down and so on. And this alignment option, you can center this image and so on. Yeah, in this way you can edit your image on your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.